crafty people, and welcome to my channel. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and today we are unboxing the new Simon Says Stamp Give Thanks card kit. There's a little bit of a delay with the mailing of these this month, so I'm just getting this now, but I wanted to share it with you because there's a lot of really great products in here. Just a little bit of housekeeping, and you can skip ahead to the unboxing if you like. Simon Says Stamp has awesome card kits. They are great value. You have the opportunity, if you're a subscriber, you can every month go in and say, I want this one, I don't want this one. And you also have the opportunity to add to the box. So if you have a wish list of things, or if you want the coordinating dies, you are able to go in and add those to your box before it ships. Which is pretty awesome, and you would get the same shipping charge, which I think is $7.99. And if your box is over $100, then you get completely free shipping on the box and all the goodies. So that is fabulous. One thing I like about the Simon kits is that when these come out, everything in the kit is already available for individual purchase. So if there's anything in this kit that you really like, you can get it now as an individual set, and you don't have to get the whole box. But again, it is a great value, and there's no harm in getting it, and then you are able to, if you don't like it that month, you don't have to get that one. And you do save a little bit of money with getting the box. Yeah, alright, so let's get to the unboxing. So this month is called Give Thanks. And we'll get this open up. And just also so you know, I will put in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com all of the contents that I showed today, so you can go ahead and check that out. And I do have affiliate links. Alright, so the add-ons for this month that I added onto my purchase, there's two die sets that coordinate with this kit. There's the Counting Blessings, and that cuts out the image and the sentiments, and then this one is the Small Thanks, so it cuts out all of the thanks. Okay, onto the kit. First thing that we get is this Distress Glitter. And this is in the tinsel color. Look how pretty this is. This is a very fine glitter. And you'd be perfect for shaker cards or adding, glitter detail on the edges of things. Right, so let's get this out of the way. Ooh, my things are falling out. Ooh, oh my goodness. Alright, first up, very important, we have a $5 off coupon. This is, let's see, it's through November 20th, 2025, and the code is COMFY, so that will save you $5 off. So that's awesome. And next we have our lollipop, also awesome. Alright, let's see if we can find the map. Look at all this good stuff. My goodness. Alright. Here's the map. So the map shows us some inspiration on here, and it also tells what's in here. So the first thing is the Simon Says Stamp Counting Blessings. So this is great. Look at the font on that. I just love that. It's like scripty cursive, and it's all about, being grateful and happy Thanksgiving, love and blessings, and you do have some sub sentiments or sentiments you could put on the inside, as well as the bigger ones. And then here you have the wheat spray, and then so the die set actually, oh, it'll cut out everything, even the little ones, so that's awesome. Okay, so we have that, and then the next one is we have a, this teeny stamp set. This is so cute. This is from CZ Designs, and this is the Small Thanks, and you have 4 different larger font thanks, and then you have all like these little strip sentiments. And you could do thanks a million for everything, so very much. There's a lot of combination words on here. I love this thanks with the heart. That's so sweet. And then the die set will actually even cut out these little hearts. So you have that. So super cute. Teeny tiny stamp set. Alright, let's see what else we have. We have the red maple stencil set and the red maple die set, and this also includes a thanks, which has, looks like it, it's like a multi-layered thanks. So that's, oh, and here's the shadow too. So you get that really cool look. But this is a layering stencil, and it makes a multicolored leaf, which is pretty awesome. And then you can use the die to cut that out. That would be a great, if you look at the examples, it'd be great focal image. And then here you just have it as, they must have just used the whole image and then stenciled it on there. So that's pretty awesome. So it's so pretty, and it gives you that layered effect just by using the stencils, so it's not, you know, very difficult. You don't have to worry about doing like ink smushing and all that stuff to get the effect. Alright, let's see. And then we get the ink cubes. This is honey, cabbage, sangria, and petunia. These are perfect fall colors. And then we have this gorgeous paper. This is 10 double-sided sheets of Craft Consortium Metal Textures 6x6 pattern paper. So look how fun these are. I love the rust and the, oh, and look at this one with the patina. Great kind of grungy fall colors. You can do lots of cool things with this. And these are the same kind of colors that are in this ink cubes. So you could just do up your leaf and cut this and put it right on top of there. You'd be good to go. Here's like a hammered look. Alright, so we have those awesome papers. And then we have a mini bottle of glossy accents. This is perfect if you wanted to do edging on that leaf once you cut it out. And then you could put this on and then put the glitter on. And then you'd have the glitter on the edge and let that dry. Let's see, we also have Tim Holtz Ranger Distress Tarnished Brass Paint. This is also awesome, and it's a perfect color for a fall. It really matches with these grungy papers. Perfect. Alright, we have a Ranger paintbrush to help you with your paint or your glossy accents. We have one sheet of Tim Holtz Ideology Gold 6x9 metallic cardstock. This would also be awesome with the leaf. And you could do a lot of techniques with that. And then we have a sheet of the simonsaysstamp ivory, which I absolutely love. I've done a lot of videos using the ivory lately. And then this is a sheet of the rainforest, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Perfect for fall. So there you have it. I don't think I have any of this rainforest, so I'm kind of excited about that. So we have the ivory, the rainforest, the gold metallic, we have the Craft Consortium, the paint, the glossy accents, the tinsel, the inks, the red maple, the small thanks, and then the counting blessings, and a paintbrush. So we have a full kit this month. perfect for making Thanksgiving cards and thanks cards and being grateful cards. So this is a great set for that, and I love these colors. So alright, if you enjoyed this unboxing video today and want to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me get out my content to other creators just like you. Alright, until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.